This is how you can enrich company data using Clay. So we want to start with a list of companies that we've already imported. You can see I've got some companies here, and we've got a description, primary industry. This is the information Clay gives you by default, but there may be more information on their LinkedIn, which we want to access. So we can do that by scrolling to the right-hand side, selecting Add Column, and then clicking Add Enrichment. From here, we want to select Enrich Company. You'll see that it's chosen the company identifier, which is LinkedIn URL. You could also use the domain name. In this case, we'll use the LinkedIn URL, which is how Clay finds the companies. So Clay always needs a domain name or a LinkedIn URL to be able to find a company. It won't be able to search for the company just based on name alone. We then want to select Continue to Add Fields, and we're going to save and run this just on 10 rows here. We can see Clay is now enriched, and it's got all of the LinkedIn data from their profile. Now it does cost 1 Clay credit to enrich the company, but for that credit you get basically everything you would need to know from looking at their LinkedIn, so company size, location, their logo, specialties, all of these different data points here.